Facebook Marketplace is a great way to make money by selling new or used items locally, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, find items in high demand, such as electronics, furniture, or brand name clothing, and take high-quality photos with a clean background. Next, create a compelling listing with a clear title, detailed description, and competitive price to attract buyers quickly. Posting at peak hours, such as evenings and weekends, will help your listing get more views. Join local buy and sell groups and share your listing in multiple places to reach a wider audience. When buyers show interest, respond quickly, be polite, and offer multiple payment options like cash, PayPal, or Venmo. For safety, always meet in public locations like coffee shops or police stations. If your item doesn't sell right away, relist it with a new image or slightly lower the price. With these simple strategies, you can start making money on Facebook Marketplace today, so let's get started.